AI is transforming not only how music is created, but also the legal framework that governs it. As this technology continues to evolve, we're entering a moment where the rules that once defined authorship, ownership, and copyright no longer provide enough clarity. With that in mind, I want to give you a clear perspective on what's changing and why every creator needs to pay close attention right now. To begin with, it's important to understand that AI is challenging the very definition of who a creator is and who owns a work. Traditionally, copyright law was built on the idea that the author is a human being who creates an original piece. And now we have AI-generated melodies, lyrics, stems, vocals, and visuals produced entirely through prompts. And naturally, this brings up new questions. If AI generates the track, who owns it? Can you claim copyright over something you didn't technically create? And if multiple sources trained the model, who deserves the royalties? The truth is that the law is already shifting. Courts are testing boundaries. Agencies are issuing new guidelines, and regulators are adapting. However, because so many areas remain unclear, creators must approach AI with intention and real understanding. Now, here's where things become even more important. AI tools are powerful, but they're not legally neutral. Because of how these systems are trained and how they generate outputs, you may be exposed to risks you never intended to take. A model might have been trained on copyrighted material without permission. An AI-generated stem might resemble a protected song. A vocal model may mimic a recognizable voice. And some platforms include terms of service that quietly claim partial ownership of your work. And the key point is this: these risks don't disappear when you upload the song. They follow you into publishing deals, label negotiations, sync licensing, catalog sales, and long-term monetization. Even if you didn't intend to infringe on anything, the consequences can still impact your revenue and your career. That's why creators cannot afford to treat AI as a simple creative shortcut. It is a legal decision every single time you use it. The good news is that the artists, songwriters, and the producers who choose to protect themselves today will be the ones positioned to win tomorrow. The industry is already evolving. Contracts are being rewritten to address AI usage. Buyers and investors want transparency. Publishers and labels are asking how a track was created, and copyright offices are evaluating AI submissions under stricter guidelines. Because of that, legal clarity is becoming a competitive advantage. Creators who document their process, protect their rights, and understand how AI affects ownership will have more leverage in the deals and more security in their long-term revenue. This isn't about being afraid of AI, it's about using it correctly so it works for you and not against you. So if you're using AI or planning to integrate it into your creative process, now is the time to establish clarity and protect your rights. Now book a consult with the Hachar Law Group and let us help you navigate these legal challenges surrounding AI and music so you can move forward with confidence, strategy, and the protection your work deserves. Click on the link, go ahead, schedule your consult.